Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website. Now today's secret website is another print-on-demand website and I'm going to be talking about that. This website is really awesome. Like there is no catch and everyone being as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a designer can sell on this website. So coming up, let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel. And we have the bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com. Check out all the freebies and download all the freebies. Make sure to check it out each month because we'll be adding more each month. Now let's talk about this one secret website. Now this one secret website is not that new website. It's been around corner for a little while or maybe a decade, and maybe some of you guys have heard about it, maybe not, but there is no catch and it's completely free to get started with that. Like you don't need to pay for anything, and even you don't need to get an approval to open up a shop on this website. You can just sell your work on the day one itself and make your shop on this. And this website is pretty amazing and you can expect to make higher commission from this website. This is one of the major plus point of selling on this website is that you can make higher commission per sale that you are making on your products. So that is added to the Redbubble. You're still getting bigger commission on this website. So let me talk about the secret website because tell you which is this website. This website is Contrado. Maybe you have heard about it, maybe not. Let's talk about this website and how you can sell it, what are the different kind of products, what is the commission criteria, how you're going to get paid, a little bit more about this company, about this website and all. So talking about the Contrado, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. Now the Contrado is the dream bike dress bowl. I think that's their code, you can say. Plus point which I think that is the best for the Contrado is you can sell your art on 450 plus product, which is insane. Like there is a huge product range is there on this website. 450 plus product, like you can make your own complete clothing store, completely clothing store or completely homeware store, accessories or different kinds of product store for your own brand. Let's talk about premium products made on demand. So that's the made in one facility, handmade cut and sewn products, private labeling. So they also have the facility to have a private labeling. So what I really mean by that, our branding station gives you full control over your own branding. Build your brand and add your own logo to product as well as your dispatch note and write a personal thank you message to your customer. So you are getting the facility to have a private labeling. When did this company started? And Contrado Imagining Limited is a London-based company founded in 2002. So Contrado means to assemble and deliver accomplished in one-stop production facility. We specialize in making quality custom products on demand. The service enables creatives to sell art, build brands, offer unique products, and gives consumers the chance to find exclusive, exceptional quality designer products. Each order is carefully handmade inside our facility, often within 24 hours. Contrado has a network of 40 websites in 9 languages across 14 territories. Talk about that. You can sell the clothing, different kinds of men, women, kids clothing. You can sell the homeware or the kitchenware items. You can also sell the accessories and fabric. One unique point about the Contrado, you can sell the fabric or you can sell the textile. Like you can place your pattern, your design onto the fabric and can sell them. If you are a person who are starting with your own fabric-based company, or if you are looking for fabric for your own clothing, your design and all, then you can design your own fabric over here and you can purchase your own fabric for your own project. So which I think is quite amazing. Like I've already made a video talking about the spoon flower, because on the spoon flower as well you can sell your own fabrics. You can place your patterns onto the fabric, but in that website like you need to buy the sample products of your designs to verify that whether your designs are looking good and apt on the textile, on the fabric or not. So you need to buy those products to recheck and re-verify your designs. But here on the Contrado, you don't need to do that. Like, I mean, it's completely free to get started to open up a shop under the Contrado, and you can open up a shop on the day one itself. Just go into the Contrado and apply for the selling, enter all the email address, your name, your URL of your customer store which you want, like your customer store name, and then start selling onto the Contrado. Like, you don't need to get an approval, you don't need to pay for anything, you don't even need to order the samples of your product to see whether your designs looked apt on this product or not. You don't need to do anything. You can just get started with the free and Redbubble. If you're selling onto the Teepublic, then introduce this new website in your print-on-demand products or print-on-demand website as well, because it will really going to help you to make more money since they offer the high commission. Because if you just go onto the Contrado, you're gonna see that the products are high ticket offer because their quality is really amazing. Like, they have the good product reviews of their products, and they are the high ticket offers. So by selling just one product, you are getting $20, $30, $40 depending on the product's price. You're getting higher commission rate. So sell and earn. Sell your art on Contrado and get 20 to 25% base commission. Set your own price to earn more. Get paid within 14 days. Your commission as well. But I see that handbag at $100, then you'll be receiving $25 by selling just one single handbag. So I think it's a pretty amazing deal. Like, you can sell your high ticket offer products on this website and can make huge money by selling few products only. Like, if you wanna make $100 onto the Redbubble, you need to sell many different products onto the Redbubble to make that much money, because the commission rate is low, the product cost is low. But here the product cost is high and commission is 20 to 25%. So if you're selling any product ranging to, I think if you're selling any product ranging to $100, you're gonna get in just single sale 20 or 25% ranging in between that, which is, I think, is amazing. So if you want to make $100 from this website, then you just need to sell 4 to 5 products which are having the price range of $100. So you can see, like, you need to sell less products to make more money, and there on the Redbubble you need to sell more products to make more money. So this is the way I compare the Redbubble with the Contrado, because, or even in fact you can compare it with the Teepublic. On Teepublic you can't increase your profit. Like, if you're selling a t-shirt or if you're selling a clothing, you are making from $2 to, I guess, $5 or $6. But here, if you're selling a t-shirt, or if you're selling any of the product, you're really making $10 to $15 or even higher from just selling a single product, because the product are priced at a high price, and also your commission is high, which is 20 to 25%. So which makes this Contrado a unique platform which you should be looking for selling your print-on-demand products. Because if you at least sell 5 or 10 products in a month, you're making $100 or maybe $200 by just selling 5 to 10 products, because they are having a good commission. Their products are really amazing quality. Everything is hand printed and sewn to order in 1 to 3 days in our facility. No third party handling your art. We deliver fast. So if you are purchasing your own product, like if you want to test the quality of your product, it's not compulsory, guys. There is no need to, like, if you're thinking that you need to open up a shop on this Contrado and then you need to buy your own samples to see the quality, is it necessary or not? It's not necessary to buy, but if you want to check the quality of your products, then you are getting 40% discount. If you want to order products, you'll get an exclusive 20 to 40% off on all your orders. Like, if you want to check your own products, like how it's looking, the quality of the products and all, then you can get the 20 to 40% discount. You're gonna get paid by the PayPal. So that's simple and easy. Now let's talk about, if you are a student based in the US or Canada, enjoy a 30% discount on all your fabric orders, and a wall filled with color and beautiful designs. So we are offering great discounts on not only fabric but label, tags, and even your own portfolio. We print your custom designs into 105 different fabrics using specialist techniques with no minimum orders and extra quantity discount if you need to order in bulk. Your Contrado Academic student discount can be used with fabric printing, custom fabric labels, paper sewing tags, leather swing tags and lookbooks. So you're gonna get student, and it's not just if you are a student in US and Canada. If you're a student in the UK or in the other parts of the world, you can submit, you can apply for that. You're gonna get the discounts if you're ordering something from this website. And one thing I'm missing, guys, over here, let me just talk about that. One thing I'm missing over here is that Contrado also offer the drop shipping. Yes, if you are looking for drop shipping, like if you are having your own shop, having your own website, and you want to sell the products on your own website, like if you have integrated with the Printful, Printify, but if you want to do that with the Contrado, then Contrado also has the drop shipping offer, own Contrado dropshipping app, which you can download, and you can integrate it with the Shopify and can start selling your print-on-demand products onto your own website, the way the Printful works. So these are the features and these are the amazing things about the Contrado, which led me to think of opening up my own shop onto the Contrado. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, are you thinking of opening up your shop onto the Contrado or not? Or are you selling it currently? Like, what's your experience with that? If you're selling on it, do share me in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.